Hello viewers, Aslam here. So in this video we are going to learn about the communities and courses and how we can build course. We can use community as well. Our course lecture from basic to advanced Go High Level training. So let's dive in video and I will show you without wasting time how we can learn about communities and courses. So let's simply, we are going to log in our test account. And in the next step, I just go to the, by the way, I have discussed all these features of Go High Level in my previous course. So you can just check course playlist and you can watch this complete guide. I have explained step by step all these things. So let me go to the membership area. We have, you see 5 main features, like first one is a client portal, courses, communities and certifications. Go collab marketplace here as well. I will explain these all things, no worry about that. So for now, we have by default one community, but we are not going to use this one. Let me create one. Let me first create the course. Go to just simply dashboard area, and here we are going to create our course. And right now there is a no product here. That's our just community, just empty courses area. Yeah, you see there is a no product here. So let me create first product here. So product means if we are going to create a course, we are not, it's not like a something else. It's just we are going to create a course. And here you see we have separate course and membership course and build your own. It's up to you which course you want to build. For example, I just starting build my own, and here we say that's a test course of GHL. I simply create the course. I have just created the course. Then in the next step we need to create categories. We need to create our first blank videos or whatever you want to add here. So you see there is a first outline, then we have detail, then we have customization, then we have offers, then we have comments and certifications. So let me go back on the outline, and here we have to create our category first. And in a first category what we are going to do, and it's simply just create the blank category. So I will say that's a test category. Okay, let's build first course and select root category if you have any root category, but I don't have any root category, so I'm not going to select any root category. And here we have some visibility option. We can put in a draft, we can put in a lock, and we can put in a dream mode. And here we have image area. I just simply go and select the image. I just double click here and I will just upload, choose from image, and for example I say we are going to launch this course, and it takes some time to image is loading. Let me double click again and I just say we are going to use this one. I just select this one, and I say upload. So that's our category pictures, and I just save it, and it's a publish as well. I just go back, and so here we have one category. So in the next step what we are going to do, we are going to add our first post or first video tutorial that we are going to show to our customer or our student. So here is a few things that we need to create here. We need to create our product name, that's a lecture number 01, and we will select the category that we have made, test class for GHL, and here we upload some images for our course, and we say that's our course. It's loading here, and so here we can upload our video. For now I think I don't have any video in my download or even in this area. So what I am going to do here, I will add just this video. I just upload it. That's a meeting with one of my team member. So the video is loaded here, and here is the video thumbnail, and it's just transcribing the all codes and all the stuff here, and it's loading. It will take few seconds. So our video lecture is ready to go here. I just simply go and preview it. We can change all these things like this membership area, this domain, and we can choose all these. Here you can see. Here we have some instructor things. So we will add this one, and that's our lecture number 1, and that's the video, and that's thumbnail we have added few seconds ago. Yeah, you see all things are here. So what next we need to do? We need to do, if you have some PDF, some assignments, so you can use this one. And if you want to use current frame from your video as a thumbnail, so you can utilize this one. And also here are our first course, and we will add something about the author. It's loading just. So let me go back to detail area, and in detail area that's a course, and we will say for now I just putting just dummy content here. And here we have some author related or course image. That's our main course image. I will say upload, and I can downloads, and I will use this one to our main course image. And here we have some more customizations. For example, we say instructors, we say Aslam, Manzoor, and we can just upload instructor image. So I would like to say you have instructor image, instructor name, that's the heading. I just use this one, and I would say GHL expert, and for now I'm just using same bio, or let me copy bio from here. By the way, if you need any GoHighLevel data services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and we will provide you a free consultation. I will guide you on your needs and on your requirement. So I just simply click on it, and I will go to the author area, and here's, you see we have some author. I just go back, and here we can put some bio. Okay, and it says logo of your course that you want to add, and if I can just simply go here, and we will say that's our logo. Just for now I'm using this one as a logo, and here you can add your fav icon. So I don't have any fav icon, but let's use any images. So we can say that's our fav icon, and go to advanced area if you have some more customization, so you can utilize CSS and code and JavaScript code here. So let me save these products and all things here, and then go to customization, and here we have themes, different themes that we are going to use. Let me go back, and I will preview this course, and then I will show you this theme area how it works. And here you can see that's our lecture number 1, and here is our heading, test course, and all the things here, and that's the lesson number 1. And here we have some introductions about the instructor as well. And let say I'm going to start the course, and here our course is start, and here we have all in detail about the author. And I just go back again, and I will show you something here if you want to change this theme design. And I just customization, let's apply this theme. So I have applied this theme on a course, and simply refresh this one. So here is the image already added. So what we are going to use, we are applied this. So this one is applied on the course area. I just simply refresh it, And here you can see it's look like this one. Here we have lesson number 1, here we have extractor, and here we have category, and category wise we have all courses. And if you want to start course, just simply click on it. So yeah, that's the basic customization we need to do our courses, and our course is ready. So our next step is because our course is ready to go, and what we are going to do on the next step, in the next step we are going to add products here, and we will going to create offers. And for example, I just say test offer, select product. We have only one course here, test course of GHL, and we will say it's not a free, and I will say because we don't have any payment method, so that's why it's 1200, but for now it's a free. We are going to create offer on our course, and after that in the next video, here we have offer, and here we have some get more links, upsell links. We'll discuss all these things in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to theleadsflex.com and book your free consultations, and you will get all the things you need to know about the GoHighLevel.